आराम नाल. Okay.
Hello everyone, how are you?
Hello, doctor.
Why does having children cause so much tension?
Has your son arrived?
क्यों डॉक्टर साहब उत्तर आपका फोन आया saying that son is arriving?
Oh नहीं, your mother said.
Remember, sister, we want a beautiful baby boy.
Ma'am, boy or girl doesn't matter as long as the baby is healthy. Thank you.
Please, yes.
Hi Anu, how you doing? Good? Just hang in there. Sister?
Because of this doctor, Anu never took a test to find out whether it's a boy or a girl. Hi, मेरा बच्चा. My grandson, मेरे साथ क्यों? आओ जी, मेरे कोल आओ जी. सुखाना. हैं? आकी. मेरा ही कर मिलिया सी की. सत्यानाश होए डॉक्टरां जिन्हां ने धीआं जम्मियां हैं. We came to you because you delivered 3 boys last week.
Mrs. Bindra, if we all had boys, where would there be girls to marry? Huh?
बोलन दा की मोल है. एक तो we haven't found Uma a groom. We haven't even started to look for Jaya. And now another girl. God, give me the strength to find each one of them a perfect husband.
Searching for a love, then you're searching it right. If you're searching for a lover tonight, if you hunger for me, baby, then you're doing it right. 'Cause I'll be your perfect husband tonight. You need a husband, you can believe me. If you be a husband, baby, tonight, like a perfect husband, you gotta treat me like a perfect husband, baby, tonight. If you're searching for a love, then you're searching it right. If you're searching for a lover tonight, if you hunger for me, baby, then you're doing it right. 'Cause I'll be your perfect husband tonight. If you need a husband, you can believe me. If you need a husband, baby, tonight, like a perfect husband, you gotta treat me like a perfect husband, baby, tonight.
मैं क्या जी? I wish you could see me today. I'm looking so good. आज मैनू अपने पोती होने दा गर्व दिखाना पड़ेगा. आशीर्वाद दियो. I shall miss you. कोरे कोरे मुकड़े पे काला काला तिल है. ਵਧਾਈ ਕਿਸ ਗੱਲ ਦੀ? ਮੁੰਡਾ ਥੋੜੀ ਨਾ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ. ਚਲੋ ਦਫਾ ਹੋਏ ਤੋਂ.
ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਮੰਗੇ तो बोल जा अरे ठीक है बोल जा क्या है
500 रुपए के 500. अच्छा चल
80 500 नहीं लेना 5100 लेना है क्या?
Anu, I need you to come and meet Aditya.
She's crying.
He's a very important client. Come.
Hi mom. Love you.
मेरा सोना मुंडा. Just like Sylvester Stallone है ना?
Hi Jaya.
जिंदा रहे. बड़े कम हो रहे हैं. Is it the time to come, Sudha? You know Sudhir. मथा टेकिया? नहीं. जा टेका. तू चल मेरे नाल. आई चल ना. गोविंद संभालो इसे. ओए ऐसी कार छिड़िया. उफ. पानी किसे डालेगा? अरे बा. चल. Where's your inhaler? Come. Listen. Come inside.
What a pity है ना? That is why she can't get a husband.
So sad.
मम्मी दी बड़ी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है.
Well, I agree, but you have to be a little more understanding where girls are concerned. Let me tell you a little bit about girls. Girls need to be romantic.
Mama, here are some photographs for you. Please, Mama, not again. How many times are we going to go through this? I mean, I've just given my MBA exams, and what's the hurry anyway? Why do I have to get married right now?
Because if you don't get married right now, तो पीछे रह जाएंगी.
And like most unmarried people, your only job would be to look for suitable matches for your nephews and nieces.
But I won't have any nephews and nieces. I'm an only child, remember?
It is my bad luck, beta, that I couldn't have more children. Otherwise,
you would have produced daughters and daughters and daughters until you produced a son.
Cuckoo, you have to control her. No housework. Just talk, 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 talk. ज़ुबान लड़ानी है? Here, take this. Go and put it on the terrace. मैं अचार बनाना है कल.
Fine.
Has she liked any of the photos?
liked? Mummy ji, she's not even looked at them.
Oh,
Even the wind is not properly blowing.
Bhaiya, would you please?
Just hold on to this.
Please.
I said no.
बेटा.
हाँ जी.
Are you married?
No, not as yet. Why? Do you have someone in mind?
Oh yes. In fact, my daughter.
अरे don't take a doctor as your son-in-law. Doctor call थोड़ी कुड़ी वास्ते time नहीं आना.
Uma, I just can't understand why you refuse to marry the professor.
Ma, I don't think it will work. साड़ी नहीं जमेगी.
तब बैठी नहीं माँ दे कर. Who will look after you after I'm gone, huh? Your brothers and your bhabis are not going to take your responsibility. They have their own daughters to think of.
Auntie, he's almost 50 years old and he has 2 kids.
Which she's not exactly 16, you know. Men will take you for granted. Availability दी छाप लगेगी तेरे मत्थे होते. Even women will be afraid to make friends with you just in case you take their husbands away. Unmarried girls are not wanted in decent homes.
So what can I do, Ma? What do you want me to do? Is it my fault that I'm not married? Is it my fault that I have asthma and nobody wants to marry your daughter?
Ma. Sorry, Ma. I understand what you say. Don't I realize it? Most of my friends are shying away from me. I just can't stop living life. I have you, I have my wonderful family, I have my work, I have Sudha. I'll be fine, Ma. I am fine.
I have not been able to find Uma a good husband. साडे दोनों लड़के तो बिल्कुल निकम्मे हैं. Very bad. What will the neighbors say? Niece marrying before Pua. Sometimes I wish that she had found somebody for herself. Hi, मैं की कहता है साड़ी तो नाक कट जाएगी.
Yeah, don't worry. You'll get all your information here. Chandigarh is designed by this architect called Lakhbuzia. I hope I'm pronouncing his name right. What are you saying? Of course you're going to stay with us, nowhere else, okay? Don't even think about it. Yeah, don't worry, my sister Uma, she works for... Hello? Yeah, you're there? Yeah, my sister Uma, she works for tourism department. She'll help you with your research, okay? Right then.
सुनिया पम्मी तेरे घर कोई मुंडा आया? Have you found someone for Uma or for Jaya?
Oh नहीं. Someone is coming from England to do research on Chandigarh architecture. He is staying with us.
That means it is a good prospect for Uma. दस देना की गल है?
ओए होए कोई गल नहीं है. He is Sohan's best friend.
Best friend. These men from abroad are very dangerous. They like Indian girls because they make good wives. Top of it, they eat meat, beef, and don't even have bath. Oh, you're in big trouble, buddy Mami ji.
Sohan, you'd better tell your friend that he should stay in a hotel. Why here?
Ma, he's the one you've been sending thank you letters to for looking after me last year. I stayed in his house in London for 3 full months.
Oh, full होवे या half? Oh, घर विच जवान थियां ने. I don't want to expose them to him. ऐसा को ठेका ला रखे.
What are you talking about, Ma?
ओए होए तू तो पोले दा पोला ही रहेगा. Hey, these Firangs eat beef and they don't have heart.
Relax, Ma. Don't worry, he's a decent man. He's a professor, Ma. Architecture पढ़ाता है. He's 40 years old.
40 years old? चलो जया तो ठीक है. But उमा, ऐने नहीं कुछ करना. लगता मैंने कुछ करना पड़ेगा. सब भी मर जाए तो सोटी भी ना टूटे. Killing two birds with one stone. Uma?
I don't want to go to Tayaji's house for 10 days. Ma, I have my work. I just can't walk off like that. Just because you want me to go and pick up the sarees and jewelry that you lent her. You send someone else, मैं नहीं जा सकती बस.
एक ही करते पे हैं. वापस रख. कपड़े वापस रख. Oh, you know ना that her niece is getting married. If I don't get my things back, she will give her everything, and then I won't have anything left to give you, Jaya, और मैं पोती.
Fine.
Uma, you remember that Rani hat that your papa gave me for my first Karwa Chauth? I wear it every year. But हुन तू नहीं जाएंगे तब मैं नहीं कुछ कह सकती.
Fine. I'll go.
मेरा चंगा बच्चा.
लेकिन मामा only for 3 days. अच्छा पैकिंग करो मेरी आप.
हाँ ले L.
I'm coming from England. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye.
सब पैसे.
Mrs. Bhatti says foreigner has come. Maybe देखो.
Mom, he's a guest of Benira's.
Here you are. I looked all over for you, man. I waited for. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too. I waited for a while, but I didn't see you, so I took a risk.
That's okay. You've reached now.
I'm so happy, my friend. Yeah, good to see you too.
How are you, mate?
Very well, yeah, very well.
What news of Roland?
What he said?
So why don't you show William to his room? He can then take his bath, you know.
Come, I'll show you your room. I hope you like the place.
ए बंसी, तू किथे जा रहे हैं? इत्थे आ. चलो जी, हुन साह विच साह आएगा. ओ कुड़िए जलेबी. ओए उमा, ओ तू इत्थे की करदी पई है?
गड्डी गई.
गड्डी गई? I thought you were safe in Tayaji's house.
You gave me the wrong timing for the train. By the time I reached the station, the train had already left.
हाय रब्बा, हुन की होएगा?
दीदी, आपका कमरे में तो फिरंग है.
ओए चुप कर. ओया फिर आ गई.
William, that's my sister, Uma. William.
Hello, Uma.
जिस चीज दा डर सी ओही होया.
I'm sleeping in my own bed, really.
Why? After all, William is sleeping in it. Uma?
What do you mean?
Nothing. I mean, I just love to see the expression on my friends' faces when I tell them that such a good-looking Englishman has fallen for my sexy boy.
Nico, you're imagining things. Just shut up.
Am I? Am I? Am I? Am I?
Nah.
What?
वाहिगुरु साहिब जी
4 o'clock.
गुरु गरीब निवाज दर मांडे ठांडे दरबार तुझ बिन सुरत करे को मेरी दर्शन दीजै खोल के वार.
मैंने एक मूली दा पराठा प्लीज.
Good morning. Are you joining us?
बीफ खान वाले नाल मैं बैठांगी.
I beg your pardon?
She must be fasting. It is Monday. Women fast for good husband or their well-being.
Good morning, Uma.
Good morning.
Are you fasting too?
Me? No.
Uma, Go and help your puppies in the kitchen.
Mom, I'm so hungry.
Ma.
Oh, okay. Excuse me.
Well, let me help you, Ma. I'd like to learn how to cook Indian food. I'm quite good in the kitchen.
No. We don't want you to be quite good in the kitchen. In India, it is an insult for any woman if a man goes to the kitchen.
Yes, Mummy's right.
Oh dear, I'm sorry, I see.
We will show you good Indian hospitality. We will wait on you hand and foot. Me and my bahu. Not Uma.
Look, Chachu's bought a new Sikko.
It's the latest model. Only 20,000 rupees.
Even Chachi bought something today. It was a pram for the baby.
Anu, money doesn't grow on trees. You should have asked me at least.
Did you ask her before buying the watch?
Excuse me, but I need to get a few things.
Yes, of course you can. Go ahead.
Thank you.
I saw your photos. You looked great with short hair. You still look great. You're really very beautiful.
बंसी समोसे साहब आ रहे होंगे
जी भाभी
Are you going out?
No, but when your chachu comes home, he likes me looking good.
And the wife has to greet him. All dirty and sweaty from work. But what happens when he sees the pimple on your face? Or when he smells the dirty henna in your hair? Or at night when he notices that you've suddenly put on 5 kilos?
Jaya?
What? I was only speaking my mind.
One day you'll be sorry for speaking your mind unnecessarily.
God, now you sound like Buddy Mummy. Good girls don't say what they mean. They say what others want to hear. Good girls should be seen, not heard. Good girls should be...
Shut up.
I couldn't find my bathrobe again today.
Do you love me?
After 2 years of marriage, how can you ask me that? We are still together. Isn't that proof enough?
No. Do you love me?
We share the same bed. We have a child. You are my wife.
No. Do you love me?
I'll show you how much I love you.
No, Sanjeev, no, not today. I'm ill. I'm seriously ill.
So glad
no.
I told you not to have intercourse so soon after the delivery.
Hi, Ram. It's that bad.
Yes, it's that bad. You should learn to say no to your husband.
He doesn't understand.
Well, make him understand then.
No. Sanjeev is a very nice person. Very caring.
But what?
But he has his needs.
I'm sure he does. Men start counting the days after delivery.
Puttar? Oi, oi. What is my pyara Shona Puttar doing?
Nothing much, Mom. I was just checking Jaya's result.
Hi, how sweet of you. Go, take the results to her. She will definitely soften towards you if you show interest in her MBA. You know how much I want to join the 2 properties for my grandchildren, here as well as in Bhatinda, huh? And you will give me sweet, beautiful pota poti, hai na?
I'll be kya, Mom?
Can we call up the jeweler tomorrow? Because I've got this silver thing that I want to go with. You know? The same thickness, but just plain. Hi, Chachu.
Anu? How many times do I have to tell you? You know, na, I don't like it when you're not at home waiting for me.
I had to go to the doctor's and then I picked up...
But you could have phoned me at least. I could have had another meeting with my client.
I'm sorry.
Go in and make me some tea now. By the way, what had you gone to the doctor for?
Nothing. Did she trouble you?
Not at all. She's been such an angel. Hey, baby, Mamash, come.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So, Jaya bete, what have you decided?
Papa, I've told you now I don't want to get married right now. And I've just given my MBA exams. I know I'm going to pass, okay? So I think I should just wait for a couple of years.
You're getting nice offers now, Jaya.
Hello, Auntie ji.
ओ अजय बेटा, आओ आओ आओ, कुछ खाएगा? मजेदार चीज।
Lovely.
बालूशाही बनाई है मैं।
Oh wow.
ओ तू खड़ा खड़ा की देखता पे बंसी, जा लेके आ, जा।
हम लाता हूँ.
जा जल्दी जा. I got news.
What news?
Jaya's results.
But they haven't come out as yet.
Well, I got them for you from the internet.
See, Papa, Rekha, I told you it's so important to get a computer now. Show me, I'm so excited. Okay, 10, okay, 200, 200, 202, okay, should be here. 3, 204, 200. It's not there.
Jaya bete.
Don't worry, beta. There's always a next time.
ओहो, फेल ही हुई है ना? चलो, बला टली, हैं? Now we can marry her off in peace. After all, the most important thing in a girl's life is to get a husband and children. Eh? Oh, सुन, तू कित्थे चलनी है? बैठ जा, मैं थक गई हूँ.
Jaya. बच्चे, open the door, please. बच्चे, Papa here.
No.
Remember you told me you wanted a computer?
Yes.
Suppose I got you a computer. Jaya बच्चे, your own personal computer.
My personal computer. Yes, Papa, I'll do anything for a computer.
Anything?
So Jaya, you have finally agreed to marry.
Papa conned me.
We thankfully didn't force you like parents normally do.
You two always want me to be grateful for getting less than what I want. Okay, this is fine. I don't like this.
Beta, it's such a
No,
nice
Mama,
one.
please, I don't like this. Please.
So good looking now. Yeah, you know he's my mother's gynecologist, and he even knew I was missing on my basketball classes because I was down. Oh my god, how embarrassing. Yeah.
सॉरी डॉक्टर, मैं आपसे पैसे नहीं ले सकता. आपने मेरी वाइफ का डिलीवरी टाइम में बहुत ध्यान रखा है.
Yes, but I was paid for it, na. Please take it.
हेलो, जी बोल रही हैं? चोपड़ा साहब, की हाल चाल है जी? ओहो, ए तो बड़ा बुरा होया. जी? जी? No problem, जी. No, you are more than welcome. Yes, we will wait for you. जी, हाँ जी, जरूर आओ जी. We are waiting. साड़ी गुड लक हो गई है. चोपड़ा साहब लुधियाने वाले, they are coming to see Jaya. कुकू, तू इन्हें जल्दी तैयार कर.
लेकिन मम्मी भी इस तरह अचानक?
They missed their Delhi flight.
They missed their flight. So they said, chalo, let's go see a girl in our extra time.
Jaya.
What? Of course.
Jaya bete, you promised me something. Now please cooperate. Get ready fast. They're coming now, please.
बिल्कुल. जया मेरा पुत्र, जा. मेरा चंगा बच्चा, जा.
मेरा बच्चा. कुकू.
Banse!
Oh God, I look like such a bhenji.
No, you look beautiful. Jaya, wear these earrings. They look very smart on you. कुड़ियों जल्दी इन्हें तैयार करो ना. I'll just go and see what that Bansi is doing.
They're very heavy. They were my nani.
The mother-in-law normally confiscates the jewelry the morning after the wedding. She likes to have control.
That's unbelievable.
Dowry is a big curse in India.
Yeah, dowry is a very big curse.
No, Mr. William, you have it wrong. Dowry is an initial investment that parents make for their daughters so that she can live off her husband for free for the rest of her life. Uma, why haven't you gone? Get up.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did she have to go?
William, if there's an older unmarried girl in the house, it creates more tension. People think there's a problem with all the girls in the family.
That's very unfair.
Hey, Mr. William, where are you going? You come and sit down here. You must meet our guests. After all, they should also know that we have an international friend. Oh, Mr. William, you don't understand. This is India. I saw 23 girls before I said yes for Sohan.
23?
And 16 before I said yes for Sanjeev.
Crikey.
अच्छा, आ रही हूँ.
Say something.
We expect at least a crore.
You know, to cover his foreign education.
Do get back to us.
नमस्ते 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 बैठिए पुत्र जरा हाँ
कुड़ी की ज्यादा ही लंबी नहीं लग रही.
अरे लेकिन दे विल लुक गुड टुगेदर.
Hello.
मैं पूछ ही लेती हूँ. Can you sing?
You see, we have a music company, you see.
नमस्ते.
नमस्ते जी.
अच्छा बेटी, every girl knows how to dance. Can you?
क्यों ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੀ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਉਂਗਲੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਨਚਾਣਾ ਹੈ? ਆਏ ਹਾਏ, ਇਹ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ? नमस्ते जी. रंग बैठा है देखो है. जरा मैं चेक कर ला कुड़ी दे शक्ल दी जोग्राफी. आहो बैठी रह. हाँ बाल देखा. हाँ बाल तो चंगे. हाँ ठीक ही लग रहे हैं. अखा दिखाई. हाँ दंद दिखाई जरा. हाय हाय देखो तो जरा की कर रही है. देखिए.
Oh, this girl has no shame.
This is just too much. What do these men and their families want, huh? One, Katputli.
ओए, इसका दिमाग खराब है. मत मारी गई इस कुड़ी दी. No more boys are going to come and see her. You understand?
No, Bammi ji, I have a brilliant man in mind.
Oh, really?
You've met him and I think you like him also.
Who?
Dr. Arjun, my gynecologist.
Oh, I know, not a bad idea.
Is this all you're going to do on a Sunday?
What else is there to do?
Talk to me, your mama.
I always spend time with you, Mom.
Yes, unlike your father. You know, I feel so guilty having taken you out of London where you had so many friends, huh?
But here I have you.
Yes, but we both need a bahu for company.
Oh.
Hey Jaya. Guess what? Our biceps are 17 inches now.
Don't waste your energy. Acha, he's having an affair? With who? I'll speak to you later, huh? Okay. Namaste, Viji.
Chameli, you come when all the water in the tank is over.
वो पानी तो छड्डो बिजी। पता है आपको 3 लड़कों ने तो बहुत दहेज मांगा है। अच्छा। अरे पुत्र, why are you in such a bad mood, huh?
Mom, I just fail to understand. Why she ignores me?
Why are you worried? Huh? One day she will be your wife. जया दीदी को देखने कोई दूसरा लड़का आ रहा है। पुत्र, don't be depressed. That boy will also reject. And then
Don't shame us today. Otherwise, everybody will say कि कुड़ी विच कुछ नुक्स है.
You should not talk too much. If asked any questions, answer in yes or no.
Do as your mother said, huh? बड़ी मुश्किल ना the boy has agreed to come and see you.
she's smart, she's intelligent. You like her.
And listen, keep your eyes down and smile all the time.
And remember, if any one of us nudges you, na, you get up and serve something. Eh?
Maybe they're right. I better do what they say. Otherwise, Arjun might just reject me.
She's like any of the other girls. I'm leaving.
Don't worry. Aja is very smart and she can run a home brilliantly.
She's an excellent cook.
You see these paintings on the wall? My Jaya has painted these.
Yes, she's a very talented girl. The bed covers in her bedrooms, she has only embroidered. She will make your home even more beautiful than it already is.
आजा पुत्र आजा. शाबाश. आओ.
Come. Jaya, meet Dr. Arjun. You've met him before.
Hello. Are you in college?
College finished.
And what are you studying?
In Hisab Kitab.
Economics.
And are you planning any further studies?
Oh, Puttar ji, do you want a secretary or a bride?
She's planning to pursue business management.
Pass hundi ta gal bandi na.
Excuse me?
No, nothing. Jaya has been taught to manage the home very well. She'll be an excellent housewife.
She doesn't answer my next question. I'm leaving.
So, Jaya, what kind of guy are you looking for?
If any one of us nudges you, na, you get up and serve something.
No, thank you. Anu, we've got to go somewhere actually. Mom, we got to go to Uncle Sham's house.
Yes, Peter. We have to go elsewhere. We'll make this something.
Thank you so much. No, it's okay.
Some other
Thank you
time.
so much.
Please.
Thank you, sir, so much. Thank you. Acha ji. Anu, I'll call you. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Nice meeting you. Bye bye.
Bye, beta.
Come up. Come.
Doctor, this way.
Thank you so much for coming.
Chaliye. Thank you.
What's wrong with you? Why are you behaving like a villager? So dumb.
Because that's what Bari Mummy and Mummy told me to do.
Puttar?
Enough is enough, okay? I can't take this anymore. Being decked up and exhibited and rejected like this. Do you guys have any idea what this does to my self-esteem?
Beta, Jaya. Jaya, beta.
She was right. You look like you were interviewing an employee, not a prospective bride.
Mom, I told you I want a girl who can walk beside me, not hide her face behind a pallu.
मुंडा गोद विच टिंडोरा शहर विच
की मतलब है तेरा?
Hello, I have a handsome son. You have a beautiful granddaughter, है ना? Imagine, Pammi ji, their children will own both the properties. I don't know why other people are blind, but I feel Jaya would make a perfect bahu for me.
Hey, Manju, तू की कह रही है? Oh, I would love to have Ajay for a grandson-in-law.
Mama,
Sohan Praji, you must listen to the elders, है ना?
but Mama, Mrs. Khanna,
I will have to speak to her.
तो मम्मी जी आप देख लेना. My son is very obedient, but your Jaya is a little different. She may not agree.
I think we'll have to speak to her at least once.
Don't worry, Jaya will listen to me.
Pakka. I will go and tell Ajay immediately.
Acha bhai, bye. Don't say anything to Jaya right now. We'll tell her in a few days' time. I know she's feeling sad and rejected and definitely will say no in anger.
Mama, I don't think Jaya will. She'll be too happy to hear this.
Oh, Sohan, it is a marriage made in heaven. Even their names are sounding the same. Ajay and Jaya. Oh, Ram, tera lakh lakh shukr hai. Jaya, don't be out too late, huh?
हाँ.
Come back in time.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi, Jaya. Where are you going?
Why should I tell you?
Well, I was wondering if I could drop you somewhere.
Don't say I'll go.
Badi Mummy, should I drop her somewhere?
हाँ. Jaya, oh Jaya, come back. Go with Ajay to Maldives house. Come on, go with Ajay.
Hold me tight and you won't be scared.
I said stop it. Ajay, stop it. Ajay. Stop it, Ajay. Stop it.
Okay,
Stop it.
okay.
What's wrong with you, huh? Behaving like a roadside Romeo? Trying your cheap tricks with me? Someone you don't owe your life.
Excuse me. What are you getting so angry about, huh? You should know that our marriage has been arranged. We can go out and have a little fun, right?
I don't believe you.
It's true.
Jaya, it is true.
अरे जया बेटा इतनी जल्दी आ गए.
Mama, is there something you want to tell me?
Why बेटा? What happened?
Nahi, kuch nahi. But you're sure there's nothing you want to tell me about some decision you've made about my life without asking me?
Well, beta, actually there was something I wanted to tell you, but...
नहीं, there is nothing we want to tell you. Look, ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ beta? What's wrong?
Nothing, as of now. And from now on, even I won't tell them anything. What I think, say or do will be my secret. Even Papa has let me down by not telling me.
Which man will want to train such a wild horse? Eh?
Mummy ji, she's not an animal.
Why can they ne? A woman is like a horse, a cow or a dog. The way a woman is treated in her sasural is the way she has been trained in her parents' house. Either she will lead like a horse, be smart and uses her brains, or she'll be the eternal mother, like the cow, who gives love but doesn't use her brains. Or she'll be treated like a dog and get kicked around if she's not careful.
Yeah, this is it. Look here. Here we are. See? James Hawthorne. Exactly, 1931. My grandparents met, fell in love and got married here. He was in Skinner's Horse, you see? This was his regiment. May I? She was the general's daughter.
So peaceful here.
This is the first time I've been in a chapel.
Oh, welcome back once again to MTV Loveline, still with this wonderful group 7 who are going to tell us a lot more about their music in a second. But first, a letter from Jaya Bindra. Jaya ji ka problem
That's
hai
me.
कि she is
please reply to my
she's
letter.
written from a small town, and her problem is the same as everybody else's problem, which is that she hopes to find a loving, understanding person like I have. I am married to a lovely girl called Aisha. Well, I just want to say that you should put out perhaps an ad in the newspaper looking for these certain qualities, and hopefully they will answer back to you. In the meantime, we go to 7.
Listen, are you crazy? You want to walk into a newspaper office and say, "Hi, I'm Jaya, and I want to place a matrimonial ad for myself."
But why not?
It's a very small place, Jaya. What will people say when they hear about this?
Okay, I guess you're right. But you've got to do something, Chachi. Let's think. I've got it. Why can't you go to the newspaper office and say you're putting an ad for your cousin or something?
Arey, nahi. What if Sanjeev ever hears about this?
Chachi, why can't you just do anything without thinking about what he thinks?
Because I can't handle it when he's upset with me.
Okay, we'll think of something, okay? But let's think.
Okay, let me think. I have it.
What?
The net. Use the internet.
Stupid, not Jaya.
Stupid party. That silly Mrs. Bhatti telling me, don't you feel lonely without a man in your life? My retort got stuck in my throat.
Shall I make you a cup of coffee?
No. Come here, beta. You know something? They don't make men like you anymore. Like my son.
That's why I can't find the right girl, huh?
It's really been nice talking to you, William.
It was nice talking to you too.
Tu ja rahi hai? I guess you're not going to come with me, Umi. So, I promised William I would take him sightseeing, so.
Hi. Uma, you can't go out alone with William. लोकी की कहेंगे?
नहीं बड़ी मम्मी, मैं भी जा रही हूँ उनके साथ.
तो ना लेंगी? फिर ठीक है. पुत्र न्यूज़पेपर दें.
Thank you. Bye. I really like William, okay? Acha. Work your magic on him.
Okay.
I want to dance at your wedding now.
मान जाए तो.
बड़ी अच्छी लग रही है आज.
अच्छा जा. Okay now, I'm going. Okay, bye. Okay, have fun and enjoy yourself. Come on, Sudha, let's go. Bye. Jaya.
परदेसिया वे
पता है?
हाँ हाँ बता।
विमल बीजी ने करवा चौथ रखा है और उधर राजन साहब। छी छी। I don't understand why Vimal auntie starves for this man.
Oh, for his long life. What else?
But Mummy ji, what a life! She's starving while he's off with another woman, and when he comes home in the evening, she does his puja.
Anu, don't think so much, huh?
की हो रहा सुनियो सुनिया फौजा आज साढ़े करके भुखिया ने सब ठीक है ना कोई बेहोश तो नहीं हुई हेलो Zuma?
I really wanted to go in for further studies. At first, Mama said yes, because then it would make it easy for me to find a husband. And then no, because being too educated would make it difficult to find a husband. Hello?
Uma, what's the matter?
I really like William, okay? Work your magic on him. I want to dance at your wedding now.
सुधा, देख कौन आया? सुधा, उमा आई है। सुधा, उमा आई है। तेरी सहेली आई है। पक्की फ्रेंड आई है। बेटा मेरे साथ क्या आ गया मेरे बच्चे को? छोटे छोटे बच्चे, इसके बच्चों को मेरा एक्सीडेंट होता ये बच्चा थी। मेरे बच्चे को पता नहीं क्या होगी, इसकी नजर लगी मेरे बच्चे को। सुधीर का वो बहुत दुखी है। बच्चे अपने कमरे जाओ।
Uma?
I met her this morning and she was fine.
I can't live without her. I can't live. What about my kids, Uma?
Take care of yourself, Sudhir. Come, let's go down to the funeral. Come.
सुधीर नहीं जाएगा।
क्यों?
नहीं, बस मैं कहती तो नहीं जाएगा।
But why?
देखो बेटे, मैं अजय सुधीर दा दूसरा ब्याह करना है और सुधीर दा फ्यूनरल ते जाना मैं बहुत अशुभ समझदी हाँ। देख बेटा, ਇਹਦੇ 3-3 ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਦੇਖਭਾਲ ਕੌਣ ਕਰੇਗਾ? ਕੌਣ ਪਾਲੇਗਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ? ਉਹਦੀ ਕਾਰਗ੍ਰਸਤੀ ਕੌਣ ਸੰਭਾਲੇਗਾ ਬੇਟਾ? ਤੂੰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਪ ਦੱਸ।
Sudhir, your body is not yet cold. You won't marry again. Yeah? You cared for me for 9 years, Sudhir. This is how you pay her. She took care of you, your children, your house. This is how you pay me, Sudha. Oh, you disgust me, Sudhir. Oh, my Sudha. Oh, my Sudha. Oh, you disgust me, Sudhir. No, my Sudha, William, my Sudha.
Did you see that? Did you see it? What's wrong with that Uma? How can she let that William hold her like this? What do people say?
Don't worry, he's a decent man. Looks like he cares for her.
Never marry a man who thinks of you as a servant, a maid to look after his house and his children.
Mama, very sorry. Bhaskar, Uma, Bhaskar. It is destiny, the kind of husband you get.
I'm going to make my own destiny. Because I want a man who really loves me. And who I really love. And I'm going to find him. Wow. So many. Oh my god. Okay. Workout freak? I don't think so. No. Bye bye, Mr. Mathematician. Not happening at all. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Arjun Verma. Oh my god. Okay. What do I do? Should I call him? Should I call you? Okay. Yes, I'm gonna call him. 7, 8, 6. Hello. Could I speak to Arjun, please?
Yes, this is Arjun.
Arjun, I just read your email. This is Anamika.
Anamika, you're the one who wrote the ad.
Yeah.
I hope you're serious about what you wrote.
Well, you'll have to meet and find out.
Why did you send me that email?
I just wanted you to see the real me, and not the Jaya you were made to see in my house.
Listen, I'm sorry if it seemed like I was interviewing you that day, because that wasn't my intention.
That's okay. I'm really happy we had a chance to meet again.
So am I.
Arjun, I've never really had a boyfriend before.
Well, in India, I guess that is a plus point, huh?
So, what kind of wife are you looking for?
What kind of a wife am I looking for? That is kind of a direct question, huh? Well, I'm looking for a working girl. Someone who won't hide behind a pallu and stay at home, but someone who knows what she wants to do with her life, who wants to be someone.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
You do?
Yeah, I mean, it's so important for me that a guy should love me enough to give me the independence and freedom to do what I want.
Excuse me.
Sure.
Hello? Yes? Admit her immediately and put her on saline. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Thank you. Bye. There's an emergency. I have to leave. Can I drop you anywhere?
No, that's okay. I'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll call you. Bye. I'll call you.
इतना खिलाना पाया हुआ है. God knows where to start. Oh, dirty. They can go for a wash. Papers everywhere.
let these little things worry me so much. Dr. Arjun, oh my God. Okay. Hello? Yes? Yes? Sure. Okay. Bye. He wants to meet me again. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah. You know, I love the color of your lipstick.
Thanks. Is that the line you use with all the girls that you meet?
Well, considering I'm a gynecologist, I meet 10, 15 of them every day. And yes, I do say that to all of them.
Arjun, don't you ever get tired of meeting so many women?
Is that a trick question?
Yeah.
You know, sometimes I see this stream of women just flowing towards me. And it's like I'm trying to pick up this one woman.
But?
You know, my mom drinks coffee like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Where is your mom?
She must have gone out somewhere.
You're very close to her, no?
Yeah.
And your dad?
Well, after they separated, I was living with my dad in London. Yes, I was very close to him. But after moving here with my mom, every time I see her, I don't know. You know, I love my dad, but I feel I just have this grudge against him. It's not easy seeing your mom here alone like this and your father who's out there somewhere and two people who loved each other very much and they don't even talk to each other right now. I'm sorry. I can't believe I just said all of this.
अरे पुत्र ये फ्रूट तो खा लो
Please, Mom.
खाना
Mom, please. Not now.
आयो ना चावराती आयो ना खुल गई कुमला गुरी मन पायो ना चावराती आहा
Hi, बड़ी मम्मी.
Hi beta.
Is Jaya there?
I think she's gone to the tailor.
There. See, she must be busy planning her trousseau.
Oh. Have patience, beta. Patience.
What are you doing out here all on your own? This is my daughter Claire. She's really sweet. She's only 4.
And who's this?
I was divorced 3 years ago. I love you. I want to marry you. I want you to come home with me.
जी तेरी मत तो नहीं मारी गई नो लंडन नो मैरिज सुन ले तुसी सारिया ने ओवर माय डेड बॉडी once divorced can be easily twice divorced.
I don't believe in divorce.
These Farangis, it makes no difference to them. He only needs an ayah to look after his children.
Mrs. Bindra, my first wife left me.
Your beef and no bath will also make Uma seek for a divorce.
I'm sorry, I just don't know what you're talking about.
Uma, you will be the death of me. First, no marriage. Now, international marriage. ओए तेरी मत तो नहीं मारी गई उमा, कुछ सोच. ओ मेरा ब्लड प्रेशर. मैंने फड़ो, मैं गिर रही हूँ.
मम्मी जी,
My pills. मैंने कोई मेरा pills लिया. मेरा सिर चुक रहा है.
मम्मी जी.
गोली.
Mrs. Bindra, I promise you, my intentions are the most honourable.
Yes, Mr. William. We know. First you come living in our house, then you luto it. Mr. Williams, I will not hear another word from you. If your work is done, you can go, huh? Please go.
I understand. I'll be on the next flight. Namaste, Mummy Ji. Mere bhul maaf khana.
Goodbye.
Please don't cry, Uma.
Maybe you didn't have to go, will you?
I don't know what love's got to do with race or caste or creed. We didn't even have enough time to spend together. I'm worried about you, Uma. I wish you could come and stay with me.
I'm sorry, William. I cannot follow you. Forgive me if I don't say goodbye.
Love will always find a way, Uma.
रियल शो तो अब चालू होने वाला है। मंत्री चुपचाप एक तेज धार वाली तलवार लेकर राजा श्याम सिंह के शान कक्ष में घुसा।
out where she goes.
Hi Jaya, come, I'll drop you wherever you're going.
No thanks, I don't enjoy the way you drive.
I'll drive slowly, as slow as you want.
Listen, don't you ever get the hint? I don't want to speak to you, I don't want to go out anywhere with you, and I really don't want to marry you.
But all I'm saying is just...
Ajay, please.
Jaya's come.
I still look cute.
Yeah, right. Will you always be so considerate after marriage? I mean...
Well, whosoever my wife is will be very well looked after.
Oh.
Will you marry me?
Yes. You know, I always wanted a man to ask. Not some business-like arrangement between two families.
I just want you to know that I'll always be there for you.
As long as I have you, that's all I need.
We're not interested in a girl who is roaming around with other boys.
But mom...
तो चुप कर. Such kind of things don't happen in our family.
Why don't you understand,
चल दो ना. I will find 100 girls for you.
But Jaya...
तो चुप कर. We're not interested in a girl.
जया तो मैं नहीं छड़ांगी.
If only you were here, Papa. She doesn't listen to anybody.
Hi, Bansi. Hi. Hi, Bunny Mummy. Hi, Papa. Hi, Ma. Papa, what's wrong? Why are you looking at me like that?
Throughout your life, I'm the one who stood by you, protected you, given you every single thing you desired. And you let me down?
What do you mean?
You have spoiled our name in society.
Do you know what the neighbors are saying?
Who's he?
Arjun.
Arjun? Who Arjun?
The family that came to see us last week, their son.
As far as I know, he had rejected an alliance with you.
Papa, he didn't want an alliance because he thought I was submissive and dumb. And now he's got to know me better.
Now what does he want now?
He wants to marry me.
his intentions are honorable. I have no objection.
But I do.
Please.
Jaya, Jaya, go to your.
But Mama.
Jaya, please, go to your.
Ma, please don't interfere.
I am the head of this house.
I'm a father, Ma.
We can't let her brand that drunkard son.
It's the man who matters.
I will not allow it.
Please don't push me, Ma. You decided for Uma. She's my sister. I still feel I should have... She's your daughter. Jaya is mine, Ma. I think my decision should be final. Please.
ठीक है पछताओगे तुसी दोनों हाँ
I know that all of you are anxious to set a wedding date, but I think we should wait a while. No, not for long, but only till Jaya gives her entrance exams. Jaya always tells me she wants to do her MBA, and I agree with her. I found out and the exams are in a month.
But I haven't even prepared for them.
You can start from today.
You sure this is what you want?
Whatever Arjun decides.
Is the engagement still today or is that also postponed?
Of course it's today.
चलो हुण सानू फ्री मेडिकल एड तो मिलेगी ना शाबाश मूंह मिठा कराओ जी ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਣ ਲੈ ਵੀ ਜੈ ਪੁੱਤ कांग्रेचुलेशंस हैं
दादी खुश है
बिल्कुल जीते रहो
I'll get some tea organized, yeah?
मेरा बच्चा
Sooner or later, Arjun will regret giving his wife so much of freedom. If a man doesn't let his wife know her place, doesn't let her know who's the boss, soon she gets very difficult to handle. तब आएगा मजा.
Mom?
You won't leave me alone, will you?
Mom.
Isn't he the guy I caught you? Saw you with? Is he? Tell me, is he?
Ajay, because of you, my father shouted at me for the first time. The neighbors talk behind our backs. But you know what? Now everything is fine.
Jaya, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry for what I did. I did not mean to hurt you. Anyway, all the very best. I did not mean to disturb your household. It was my jealousy that got the better of me.
Ajay? It's okay. In a way, I guess I should be grateful because if it wasn't for your complaint, my engagement would have been settled so quickly without a hitch.
All the very best.
पता है विजी, अजय भैया ब्यूटी कंटेस्ट में गए हैं।
ब्यूटी कंटेस्ट?
हाँ, वो लाइक ऐश्वर्या राय और सुष्मिता सेन जी।
रहने दे तू। As if it's not enough that they do my show of girls. उनता मुंडिया नु भी नहीं छाड़ते हैं।
And I'm sure, you know, if he wins and they ask him, what are you going to do for society? He'll say, everyone should pump muscles 24 hours a day.
I'm so glad we finally did it.
I know, I'm so excited. And the best part is, I'm going to Bombay. Oh my God, it's going to be so amazing.
So our baby is going to be a hotshot executive in a big company now. So proud of her.
ओए hot shot executive दी इंडिया विच कोई अहमियत नहीं है।
ओहो मम्मी जी, at least enjoy yourself today.
अच्छा ठीक है भाई, let's enjoy ourselves हैं। तो भाई बंसी, कोई लड्डू शड्डू लिया भाई।
हाँ जी हम ला रहा हूँ।
I'm so happy all your dreams are coming true, my dear little Nico.
पहले हम गाड़ी तो खिलाओ और कहा है कि पैसा मिलेगा ना।
One man is really focused.
हम खाऊंगा। मार कहाँ है?
ये ले, और तू भाग जा यहाँ से, जा।
वो लड्डू शड्डू खिलाना सारे नो।
I'm so happy for you, बेटा।
जूठा वाला मैं सोचता हूँ।
My only worry is who look after you in Bombay.
Mama, don't worry. I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. My whole family is here with me. I'm so happy.
जीती रह।
Remember I told you? Look, Arjun doesn't look too happy.
You're imagining things.
Arey, when he encouraged her, he didn't expect her to leave town. That was him, right?
Where's Arjun? Arjun. I still can't believe it. I'm so happy.
Yes, life is full of problems anyway. What is the point of complicating matters and having to adjust more and more to your life partner?
I guess they'll have to marry and then stay apart. You know, it's not good to wait for so long, for 2 years.
What's wrong?
There's something I wanted to speak to you about. You know I love you, but there's some...
But what?
Jaya, you're going to Bombay for 2 years. I'm going to be here alone wondering who you're talking to, where you're going, what you're doing. Do you really think a marriage can work like that?
You can come and see me on the weekends now. We can be together on the holidays.
It's not going to work. Just going to be angry with you for leaving me here alone.
You're not going to break up with me because I'm going to Bombay. Are you? I love you, Arjun. And I don't want to lose you.
How can you be so selfish? There you go, just thinking about yourself again. What about me?
I just don't believe this. Who's put this in your head, huh? Is it your mother? Your friends? Who is it?
Listen, credit me with a little intelligence, okay?
Then why?
I just feel we shouldn't take a decision we'll regret later on. Marriage is a serious business, okay?
Marriage is a serious business, but I...
Listen, I'm just not ready for a long-distance relationship, okay? Now, why don't you do something else, like teach or or design clothes or something.
And what if I asked you to come to Bombay? Will you come?
I thought it's the bride who followed the groom.
During the ceremony around the sacred fire, Arjun, it's also the groom that follows the bride. And life is not about who follows whom. It's about two people walking together in a marriage. Sometimes one leads the other for a short distance. I learned to reach for the sky because you made me believe that the stars were within my reach. You taught me how to fly. And now you're telling me that I can't spread my wings.
I'm just sorry I couldn't make you understand.
I just want you to know that I'll always be there for you.
After all that bhashan he gave us to believe, he was a balanced, modern, liberated man.
I am glad, beta. तू उन्हें सीधा कर देता है.
मैं तो कह सी ना कि these new ideas will not work. Time progresses, पुत्र. My maid washes her clothes in a washing machine today, and I make rotis for you in an electric tandoor. But people remain the same.
Did you hear? Our marriage broke up.
You know, I never liked you. You always appeared so superior, so in control. You were the perfect man as far as understanding women was concerned. They all preferred you. But now...
The models may be different, but the mechanism is all the same.
ए, बता ना, अब जय दीदी का क्या प्लान है?
हमको नहीं मालूम। और ये क्या है? नीचे उतर। हमको तंग नहीं करना। नीचे उतर। नीचे उतर बोल दिया।
चल, अब बता।
देख चमेली, हम तुमको एक बात बोलता हूँ। औरत को औरत का दुख समझना चाहिए। नो गॉसिप। यहाँ की बात उधर नहीं करनी चाहिए। और खास करके हमारे घर की बात नहीं करने कहा।
This was bound to happen.
She's your niece.
Niece or no niece, you give a woman an inch, she takes a mile.
अरे चमेली, वो अर्जुन और जया का तो टूट गया ना? वो घर में अभी क्या हो रहा है?
मुझे नहीं पता.
ले.
उमा दीदी चैनल चेंज कीजिए। मिस्टर इंडिया का कंपटीशन आ रहा है।
अरे वही अजय भैया वाला.
I believe life is full of challenges, and a real man is who can take on those challenges head on.
I feel that I am the complete man because I've got a complete woman. Thank you.
Good evening, Umay. This is Ajay Khanna from Chandigarh. And all I have to say is, I love life and I believe in living it to the fullest. Thank you.
Well, now we have one common question for all of them, and the question goes, if you were to win the Perfect Man contest, what would be your message to the people?
Well, my message to the world is that first make the most of what you have got, then strive for more.
If I were to win this contest, I'd like to tell all the boys back home in Chandigarh that they too can aim for the skies. Thank you.
And the perfect man is Ajay Khanna from Chandigarh.
पत्ते ही नहीं आ रहे ना।
बिजी, उमा दीदी का पार्सल आया है।
दिखा।
माँ, इसको उमा माँ भाई ओपनिंग है।
ओहो, there are no secrets between mother and daughter भाई।
तुसी भी कमाल ही कर दे हो माँ बस।
ओहो, ये पार्सल मेरे को खुल ही नहीं रहा। तू खोल ना। देख की है।
देख की, you have already opened it. This is a new medicine for Uma's asthma.
दिखा। किन्हें भेजे है?
William. He's a nice man.
Saigal's daughter ran away with the neighbor. Why? Because the father stopped the marriage.
मैं क्या जी की हाल चाल है ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੋ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੈਗਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਤੀ ਨਸ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਭਈ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਵੈਰੀ ਗਲੈਡ ਵੀਵ ਟੇਕਨ ਅ ਗੁੱਡ ਡਿਸੀਜਨ ਫॉर ਉਮਾ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਜੀ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੈ मैं क्या जी हाय मेरे मरब्बा मैं क्या जी सोन मैं क्या जी संभालो हाय मैं मर गई सोन संजीव जल्दी आओ उमा डॉक्टर ने बुला मैं क्या जी और दर्द की करा मैं क्या उमा कुकू कितने हो जल्दी आओ
डैडी जी
डैडी
मैं क्या जी
डॉक्टर ने बुला
डैडी
मैं क्या जी देखो सारे आए नहीं बच्चे
Called up the doctor. He's on his way.
He's going, Ma. Ma, he's going.
No, he cannot go. He cannot. मैं क्या जी
He left us 14 years back.
I know what he thinks and what he feels.
Doctors told us he'll never revive. We should let him go. Let him go.
No, he is okay. His heart is still beating. You will only remove the life support systems when I am gone, not a moment before that. He is my suhag. He is the sindoor in my mang. The only reality in a woman's life is her husband. That I'll never know.
Hello.
Arjun?
Jaya? What is it?
Can we talk?
Are you still going to Bombay?
Yes.
Then we have nothing to talk about.
Arjun, I think you're being really unreasonable.
I'm being unreasonable. You're the one who's going away.
Look, I think you're letting what happened with your parents affect our relationship. And I understand, but...
No, you don't understand.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. Because just like my mom, you're unwilling to adjust, and I had to suffer, and I'm not going to let it happen again, okay?
ओहो बड़ी देर हो चुकी है बंसी टाइम क्या हुआ है
अभी सिर्फ 12 बजे हैं
12 बज चुके हैं
हाँ
ओहो why have these people not come
Ma, it's been few hours now. Can we know who are we waiting for?
बेटा you know there is my that friend
जलंधर वाले
हाँ you know my friend from Jalandhar oh they've come oh बंसी जल्दी
परदेसिया बिन परदेसिया
Welcome, William. Welcome. I want you.
William, it's so good to have you back.
Please meet my sister Charlotte.
Oh, Charlotte, hello, welcome.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, what are you people staring at? Come and meet my son-in-law.
ਬਾਣੀ ਬ੍ਰਹਮਾ ਵੇਦ ਧਰਮ ਦੜੋ ਪਾਪ ਤਜਾਇਆ ਬਲਰਾਮ ਜੀਓ ਧਰਮ ਦੜੋ ਹਰ ਨਾਮ ਤੇ ਆਵੋ ਸਿਮਰਤ ਨਾਮ ਦੜਾਇਆ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਗੁਰ ਪੂਰਾ ਅਰਾਧੋ ਸਭ ਕੇਲ ਵੇਖ ਪਾਪ आनंद आवड़ पागी
क्या कर रहा है?
मन हर हर मिटा लाया जन कहे नानक नाम पहली आरंभ काज रचाया हरे चौथड़ी लाव मन सहज पया हरे चौथड़ी लाव मन सहज पया हर पाया बलराम जियो गुरमुख मिलिया सुभाए हर मन तन मीठा लाया बलराम जियो गुरमुख मिलिया सुभाए हर मन तन मीठा लाया बलराम जियो हर मीठा लाया मेरे प्रभु पाया अनदीन हर मन चिंदया फल पाया स्वामी हर नाम बजे वदाए मन चिंदया फल पाया स्वामी हर नाम बजे वदाए
waiting in line just for
Oh my
you.
God, Sanjeev, कुड़िया जल्दी जल्दी आओ ना. I want to be ready to receive my son-in-law. सीधा खड़े रहो इत्थे. उमा मेरी बच्ची. You are looking so beautiful.
Thank you, Mommy.
William. जिंदा रहे जिंदा रहे.
वाह पम्मी तेरी तो आज वाह हो गई.
रब की बड़ी मेहर है.
Hello, Auntie. How are you? I hope everything's okay. Jaya, you've broken your engagement to pursue your career? I don't know. What is wrong with you?
Thank God we did not.
Mom! Given a second chance, I would still marry her.
ये तो क्या कह रही है?
I mean it.
How come if it's our wedding, everybody else is doing their own thing?
चलो चलो डांस करो मिसेस खन्ना. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ? ਉਹ ਅਜੇ ਬੇਟਾ ਉਠਾ.
Please, Mom, come on, come on. No, no, you have to dance. What are you saying?
ਚਲੋ ਬੇਟਾ ਵੱਡੀ ਦੀਦੀ ਦਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਹੈ ਭਾਈ ਰੋਜ਼ ਰੋਜ਼ ਥੋੜੀ ਨਾ. ਆਓ ਨਾ ਚਲੋ ਨਾ ਚਲੋ ਚਲੋ.
It's kismet that you're getting married before me. That's the way it's supposed to be. The aunt before the niece. Come on, let's go and dance.
He's just showing off. Come on now, let's dance.
Arjun, don't ever doubt that I loved you. No matter where I go, what I do, or where you are, I will always love you. And no matter how high I reach, just remember that if it hadn't been for you, I would never have taken that first step. Hello? Arjun? Arjun?
All these years I thought that the worst moment was birth of a daughter. Today I realize it is her bidai. You realize that she doesn't belong to you. It is such a sense of loss.
I don't deny that I liked her.
I won't deny that I miss her. Sometimes things just don't work out.
Would you have loved her more had she done what you wanted?
So you're finally set to leave?
Yeah. I'm really going to miss this place.
Don't worry. Mumbai is a friendly place. I'm sure you'll like it. And I'll be there. With my bike? Huh? Here. This is my mobile number in Mumbai, and that's the address where I'll be staying. I'll be reaching there in a week's time, okay? What? Why are you laughing?
You've just changed so much from that muscle guy that I knew.
I guess I've just matured. अरे बाबा, जब आप अपने मकाम पे पहुंच जाते हैं, तो you stop trying to prove a point to the world.
You know, I think I will see you in Bombay.
I'll look forward to it.
Delayed by 0 hour 30 minutes.
Oh, एक ट्रेन फिर आधा घंटा लेट हो गई है. I tell you, really.
It's half an hour late. Nothing new.
की देरी से
बच्चे, रेलवे is forcing us to spend more time with you.
which is scheduled to arrive at 11 hours 10 minutes is delayed by 0 hour 30 minutes.
Anu.
You know, you were right when you said that I'll have to make a choice one day. A girl always has to make a choice between her house and her career, between what she really wants and what she has to do.
I wish I could help her, but it seems I don't understand her needs at all.
She just wants something you could never dream of.
चलो जाओ बच्चे आ जाओ
Jaya, beta come.
चलो जल्दी बच्चे
इन लोग क्या ना देखो सच एन
Remember, no talking to strangers, huh? Altu faltu लोगों नाल गल
मेरी डाची दे गल विच टलिया मेरी डाची दे गल विच टलिया मैं ता पीर मना बन चलिया
Have your vitamins on time.
डाची
Ring me up regularly.
मोड़ मुहार वे नैना वाले आले चलना वे
Don't talk too much. Keep your views to yourself. All the best.
मेरे दिल विच डेरा यार दा मेरे दिल विच डेरा यार दा हो की कहना आर ते पार दा मेरे दिल विच डेरा यार दा हो आर ते पार दा डाची वाले मोड़ मुहार वे नैना वाले आले चलना
इधर की बात उधर मत करना हाँ
जया जया
No. Why isn't my breakfast on the table?
Get me a cup of tea.
Huh?
I'm tired.
Excuse me? How many spoons of sugar do you take?
Oh, Cuckoo!
बंसी
सजना वे सजना वे सजना वे हो सजना वे माहिया वे सोनिया वे रांझना वे हीरिया वे माहिया वे सोनिया वे रांझना वे हीरिया वे माहिया वे सोनिया वे रांझना वे हीरिया वे माहिया वे माहिया वे सजना दे एक इशारे ते घर बार लुटाना पैंदा है जिस रूप च राजी यार होवे ओ रूप बनाना पैंदा है सजना वे सजना वे सजना वे हो सजना वे माहिया वे माहिया